Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new project and selecting a template that matches your goal. This gives you a ready structure. Once done, build a minimal binder with draft, research, and notes so you can drop files in logically. Make sure snapshots are enabled and autosave/backups are set to about 10-15 minutes. This protects work while you start. Finally, create a single scene document and open the inspector. Now you can write, tag, and outline without getting lost in setup. Now you move into the middle process, drafting and organizing. Use Split Editor so you can view research or character notes beside your scene. Switch to Corkboard to rearrange beats visually. Assign labels and status to each document so you always know what's draft versus final, and use collections to gather scenes you'll revise together. Write in composition mode when you need deep focus, and set per document word targets to pace progress. Together, these steps keep your manuscript structured and your writing flowing. Finish by compiling and preparing for delivery. Open Compile, select your output format, map binder levels to chapters, and verify front and back matter. Once done, proofread in review mode and use snapshots to preserve pre-edit versions before sweeping changes. Make sure to test export a single chapter to confirm formatting. If the compiled file looks wrong, restore the recent backup or compare snapshots to find the change. This troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.